Good evening. It's a Sunday and therefore it's the Sunday street market in Chiang Mai, and I just thought before it got really dark that I would take you out for a little wander and show you some of the nice things in the street market. First thing I noticed are these beautiful bags, and they really are very nicely made, very attractive. So I thought that I would just start off by showing you these. Next door there are the silk scarves, not so interesting. And here we have beautiful embroidered purses and cushion covers. You can see it's very black clouds up there. It could be about to rain any minute, but we'll see how far we get before the rain comes. Fresh fruit juices, smoothies, ice creams. My favourite tie-dyes. That's an unusual pattern though. Elephants. Lots of people love the elephants. Embroidered elephants this side. As you can see, it's a sea of people. Ah, an Aladdin's lamp, you see. Now that could be very useful for anybody that really needed a genie. If you needed a genie in your life to come and bring you prosperity and wealth. Although genies are notorious for tricking you, aren't they? So probably not such a good idea. I'm really hoping to find some miam kham here tonight, but I don't know if we'll be lucky. I get the feeling that this is going to get rained out in about 10 minutes, but we shall see. But miam kham is one of my favourites. It's a local Thai dish of betel leaves stuffed with exciting flavours that explode in your mouth, and I'm very partial to it. You don't find it very often. Some more very pretty bags here. Those fabrics, absolutely beautiful fabrics. Really lovely. A lot of things are the same. A lot of things, you know, you see again and again, but not everything. Ooh, that pattern looks familiar. Yes, I have those in nappy pants myself. The pattern there also looks familiar. That's my other pair of nappy pants that I cut open and made into a top. Some nice clothes. And quite reasonable prices here. Aprons. Now normally I'm a girl that isn't always in need of an apron, but just at the moment I have got quite a lot of aprons. And there's like a foodie bit there. Should we go and see if they got some miam kham down there? Right, we've just come down the foodie part. Yummy stuff. Very yummy stuff. To be honest, the northern Thai sausages are absolutely delicious. Really spicy, lots of lemongrass in them. They have a kick to them. They are yummy. Freshly squeezed orange juice. Chips. Self-walking chips. Ice cream. As you can see, popular little place to come and eat. We go around.
This is all new, isn't it?
Yes, yeah, this is new before. Durian and something covered in chocolate. Honey drinks, Thai papaya salad, I'm quite fond of that too. We've got hamburgers and steak here. Those look quite good. For the meat lovers. Ribs galore. Lasagna with pork, lasagna with beef. Looks good, ladies. Salad, more Thai salad, I'm guessing. Glass noodle Thai salad. Pad Thai. The colours of these bao buns, so pretty. Such lovely colours. Barbecue. Lots to drink. Coconut smoothies. Mexican food. You can have beef and avocado quesadilla. Sounds good. Cheese spinach quesadilla. We've got beef kebabs. Just filling them up. Mexican avocado and chicken. We've got the bananas here. They're doing the banana crepes. These look like the oh, they are the Chinese fried dough.
Oh my God, I'm having one.
Yes.
Absolutely. You want one as well?
I'm going to have a quesadilla.
Okay, you do that.
My husband loves these. You can have a bite of mine and I'll have a bite of Oh God, no, I've got to, haven't I? Yeah, I'll have that.
Okay.
These are things my husband absolutely loved in China. So as soon as he saw these, he's like, carry on. He's like, I'm going to have it. So there he is. It's quite naughty really to come out to a Thai market and I'm having Mexican and my husband's having Chinese. But hey, you know, we could be naughty sometimes. Oh, so my first bite of quesadilla, and I have to say it's quite good. We've had to run undercover a bit because it literally started to rain as I was getting it. Nice and tasty. Local beer.
Very nice burger. That's better than these.
Yeah, well, it's all bread at the edges. Maybe when you get to the middle. This is very doughy. This is the Chinese thing. Not from the bread. If you be able to feel if it's too dark. These are so beautiful, really lovely. Everyone's getting prepared now for the rain. I don't think we've got much longer before we can be running for cover. We had a very nice little snacklet at the food market. It was very pleasant. Little children's clothes. My grandchildren all in, well, 3 of my grandchildren are back in England, the 3 little ones, and it's too far for me to send things. Postage from here to England is outrageous. Which is sad. But I'd love to send them little gifts. Pretty hair clips. See the colour of that sky? Oh, it looks like we might have another chance at Miam Cam. So we're going in here. lot of these little food markets happen around the temples in the night. That's Sesame right. Aha, there we go, straight away. And this is it. This is Miam Cam. This is what we want. So, a new one tonight. So this is Miam Cam, this is the one I normally have, which is the green beetle leaves. And then this is Miam Lao, which just fell off the stick, which is a pickled mustard leaf, which sounds right up my street. So I'm going to go for this first. Very peanutty. Definitely taste the pickliness. It's much softer. With the Miam Cam, you've got really chewy leaves. Mostly the pickled leaves are much softer and break down much quicker. Well, that's good. That's good to know. Found something new. But these. Nothing beats the original. These ones are particularly heavy on the peanut. Not so much of the chili and the spices, but still really good, really good. Thank you.